It's a very, very, very unique park. It has quite a reputation. What's up, guys? It's Greeny. I'm in Samchuk, South Korea. I took a train yesterday, about 3 hours from Busan, and later today I'll be heading to Seoul. But I decided to stay in kind of a naturey, scenic area for the night. And this town actually has quite the myth, quite the legend that goes along with it. I'm going to tell you about that. But it's a really cool area. If you look back here, you can see there's mountains. Kind of reminds me of the Smoky Mountains in, like, Tennessee. And if I go down this way, it's the beach. There's an ocean, which makes me kind of feel like I'm in northern Michigan, because it's, spruces and pines, and it looks like Lake Michigan, even though it's the Pacific Ocean. But I'm going to tell you about the legend of this place. I'm going to take you to a park that memorializes the myth of this place, and it's going to be very, very interesting. This area, though, where I'm staying, is all these hotels, and they call them pension houses here. Let's head over to the park. So this is the entrance of the park, and as you can see over here, they have a diagram of this little boy and little girl, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what happened here. The name of the park is Haesindang Park, commonly referred to as Penis Park. So apparently a long time ago, this area here was a huge fishing area, which it is now. And there was a fisherman that had a girlfriend. And one time the fisherman was going out to sea, and the girlfriend waited for him. She was sitting on a rock by the water there, and she disappeared. She got swept away. And that's kind of where the story starts. So fisherman goes out to sea. He's gone. The young girl, she disappears. Now I know why Haesindang Park is more affectionately known as Penis Park. So here we have some much more intricate art. Colorful too, huh? So what is the purpose of this? What is the story behind all these penises? It didn't start this way. It didn't start with big, giant, hardwood dongs like this. This video is sponsored by Zingify. Zingify is an all-natural, ultra-potent Korean red ginseng. I've been taking it for about 4 months now, and I'm super happy with the results. I have more energy. My mental clarity seems like it's improved. My blood pressure has actually dropped. I'm taking half a pill now, and I sleep great at night. There's another benefit as well, too. Make sure you take it long enough. It took about 3 months for me before I kind of felt this effect. If you're interested in trying the product, the link is in the description. Put the code Greeny in and you'll get 20% off. It started in the 1950s with people that live in the area carving small little dongs. And there's a reason why they started doing that. It's like Medusa or something here, octopus, something. This is so interesting. I mean, this kind of reminds me of in Raleigh Beach, they got the penis cave, the penis carving cave, but this is This is a whole nother level. I mean, this whole park is just dedicated to this, you know? It's not clear when the legend actually started. The people that lived here started taking action in about the 1950s. As the legend has it, after the girl disappeared, and mind you, the girl was a virgin, so she had never had you know what. Well, after she disappeared, all the fish from out here disappeared. There was no more fishing, and this is a fishing village, so you know the community counted on that as their livelihood. Without fishing, they were screwed, and it was years and years and years that had went by until one day a man was down on one of these rocks and pissed in the water. He went to the bathroom in the water, and miraculously all the fish came back. Well, the town folk thought it was because he exposed his genitals, you know. She saw his phallic, his penis, and decided to uncurse this water and let the fish come back. After that point, they started carving little phallic symbols and placing them all over this area, you know, long before when this was a park. But eventually they built these. They built all these different penis statues, and I don't think there's going to be a problem with fishing here ever again. They made it into a park, and I think that down here somewhere there is a memorial for her, which there's no name. Like, they don't tell you the name. I wish I knew the name, but we'll get down there and see if we can find the memorial. This one's quite veiny, huh? They put a lot of detail into that. Oh wow, these are even veiny as well. So let me know in the comments, has anybody ever heard of this place? Or have you ever been to a place that's like this? I mean, look at this one. That's a big one. They're all different shapes and sizes here. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Look at these. You see there's girls here. I wonder what they think about it. Oh my God, look at... All right, look down here. There's some really big ones down here. Now I saw down this hill, there's a whole bunch more. I wonder how many there are in all. There's got to be, I thought I read somewhere 30, but I've seen way more than 30. What is this? Knowing Greeny's luck, he'll probably break the schlong. Has anybody ever seen this many schlongs? Oh, there's the Grand Master schlong here. Would you guys take it the wrong way if I told you I was like hungry right now? Because I haven't eaten all day. I'm starving. Long time, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I can go down to the beach. Oh, look at that water. So clear. So beautiful. Besides the phallic symbols here, this is a really wonderful piece of property. I mean, check out this beach. I just walked down the steps a little bit. I'll show you. Came from the phallic area over here under the bridge. There's some steps. Now I'm going to walk down to the beach here. It looks really, really nice. I mean, that water looks super duper clear. From up there, you can see it's really blue. I wonder if you could snorkel here when it's warm. Wow, look at this down here. Everywhere here you got the Zen rocks. Pretty beautiful. Oh, it looks like I can do quite a bit of walking down there. Yeah, I'm gonna check out this area. This is pretty sweet. Yep, look at this crystal clear water over here. I bet that'd be awesome if it was a little warmer to go for a little swim right here. Oh, there's a little lighthouse thing too. All right, it was beautiful down here, but let's head back up and look at some more dicks. Here's one for you dudes. So I don't know, maybe that's her, huh? There's supposed to be, oh, this right here, this is the memorial. This is the little chapel or little temple for the lady. I wonder, problem is not much of this is in English, if any. But it looks like there is a photo of a lady, a painting, some artwork. I think you have to take your shoes off if you want to go inside, so I'm not going to go inside, but maybe that was her. Huh, interesting. I got to tell you guys, the ladies love this place, but they're all much older ladies. I haven't seen any young ladies here. Very friendly people though. Look at that up there. That's so cool. Beautiful flowers and landscape. This is a great place to come. Penis or no penis, this is a great place to come. I mean, just a beautiful, beautiful park. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this park here. I'll be traveling to a bunch of other places around the world, and you're going to want to see what I bring you next. Well, I finally achieved my goals, guys. I'm with the Blues Brothers.